Hi guys, Pavel here, welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I would like to show you how to force quit an application on Mac. Sometimes applications freeze, so it's always good to know how to get rid of them. Of course, a word of caution, you may, if the changes were not saved, you may lose these, so uh, make sure you know about this. So there's two different ways. You can use the keyboard shortcuts, which is Command, Option and Escape, and select the one you want to close. Or I actually go often to the menu, click on Apple logo, and then you will see here this option Force Quit. So at the bottom, let's say Affinity Photo is running. So I would select it, click confirm, and as you can see, this little dot disappeared, so it's closed down now. So that's really all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in another tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.